all fine in your home. Yes, in the previous class we have discussed about India, size and location. So already we have completed one chapter in geography part. So now I am going to introduce a new lesson. Before going to discuss about that, dear students, since 3-4 years you are studying about social studies. In that, already you know that you have studied about history, geography and political science. But this year you are going to study a new part, that is economics. So what is economics? First we have to understand what do you mean by economics. Okay, and keep in your mind, just you can read and you can find what do you mean by history also. I think already so many you know that. Geography and political science. So you have to find these definitions. Okay, already because you are studying from 3 to 4 or since 3-4 years. So now what is economics? That is I will tell. Okay, so we can see so many definitions for economics. So I will tell one. So economics, it will study about, economics part, it will study about the production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. Okay, so we will produce so many materials in our country. Okay, that production, that materials we will distribute. Okay, then the consumers, they will consumption that materials. Okay, that goods and services, not only goods, services also. Okay, like communication, it is a service. Okay, so like that we can see so many different type of production. So that one we are going to study in the economics part. So dear students, in this year you are going to study about only basic concepts of the economics. Okay, especially in this lesson. So what is the first lesson of economics part? Okay, so today we are going to study about the first lesson of economics part, that is the story of village Palampur. Yes, dear students, so today we are going to study about the story of village Palampur. This is the first lesson of your economics part. So already I said that here we are going to study about the basic concepts of production. So production is very important for any country. So by that production they can get the income. So how we are going to produce some materials. So what are the important basic needs to the production? So that one we are going to study. Yes, dear friends, so about this production we can get, or we can see, or we need so many materials, so many resources. For example, natural resources, human made resources and human effort also. To produce something we need human effort also, and then the money. So these kinds of basic concept, basic needs we need to produce anything or something. So here these are all we need, the resources to produce something. We are going to study about these in one story, that is hypothetical village. Hypothetical village means it is imaginary, it is an imaginary village, Palampur. Okay, so Palampur is an hypothetical village. So it's what we call Kalpanika. So we are going to study about that. So first we are going to study what is in the Palampur. So already I said that it is an imaginary village, not a city. Okay, but here we can see the different type of activities. What type of activities? Economic activities like farming, means agriculture is the main activity in the Palampur, and other activities also we can see in the Palampur. So those are transportation, yes, dairy farming and small scale manufacturing. So these are the important activities we can see in the Palampur. So here now we are going to study about the Palampur. So introduction means nothing but we are getting the introduction of, yes, Palampur. Palampur is an imaginary village, and listen here students, when a place develops itself, when it has a different type of commercial activities, otherwise if it is big city, then only it will improve, and if it is very near to the city, then also it will improve. Okay, so the Palampur, now we are going to study about the connection, the transportation connection, how it is very near to other city or big villages. Okay, so that one we are going to study. See here, Palampur is an imaginary village, a small village. It is near to the big village. Okay, big village, it is nearby Palampur. That village, big village, is called as Raiganj. Yes, Raiganj is a big city, big village. Keep in your mind, big village. It is a big village. Okay, it is connected through a road. Okay, we can go from Palampur to Raiganj by a road. It is all-weather road. What is all-weather road? I will say about that afterwards. So here we can see only 3 kilometers distance from Palampur to Raiganj. Okay, and listen here students, if we go on that road only, nearby Raiganj we will get a small city, small town. Okay, so which is that? So that is Shahpur. Yes, Shahpur is a small town. It is near to Raiganj, and Raiganj is very near to Palampur. So, and here they had Palampur had a good connection with Raiganj and Shahpur with the all-weather road. So what do you mean by all-weather road? Listen students, already you know that in the transportation, in the roads we can see mainly 2 types. Okay, kacha roads and pakka roads. In the pakka roads are means the all-weather roads, and kacha roads means they are the seasonal, we can call as a seasonal roads. So here kacha roads means they are not very good. They are constructed by only mud. Okay, but here the all-weather roads means pakka roads, they have constructed by the good quality of materials like cement and sand and big rocks and very good rocks. Okay, so those are called as all-weather roads. Up to here we have studied what is the connection of the Palampur, how it is connected to a big village and a small town. So now listen here students, what are the vehicles we can see on that roads. Okay, what are the types of vehicles they will move on that roads. So see here.
On this road, tangas, bullock carts, bogies, motorcycle, jeep, trucks and tractors are all used to transport people and goods.
Yes, dear students, up here we have studied about the connection of Palampur and how the transportation system is there in the Palampur. So I'll meet you again in the next class. Until that, take care. Bye bye.